Ditch the $7 coffee and learn how to do it yourself here at Allie's place, located in the Soundview section of the Bronx. During the 3-day session, participants learned various coffee techniques like pulling espresso shots and beginner level latte art. On the third day, participants will have their own pop up coffee shop in which they simulate the everyday life of a barista.
Have a one-on-one with the clients that come in, and you just ask them what they want, and kind of it's fun. I enjoy it.
While for some, this is a fun class to learn a new skill, it also serves as a catalyst to boost workforce developmental programs. Councilmember Amanda Farias, who joined in on the coffee making action, mentioned the importance of this program and why she wants to see more of them.
We know that women are missing in the workforce in a lot of different titles and sectors. And so seeing these opportunities that we're presenting them and it being completed and successful is just a really prideful moment for me.
Former students like Noreen were described as a natural at just about anything. She enjoyed the program so much that she decided to return and is now a culinary intern working alongside Chef Gabriel Rodriguez and assistant chef instructor Jada Gabriel.
Sometimes you just want to give back and show what you actually accomplish here. So I think that's a good thing to actually show people that, hey, this does work.
This training program fulfills Allie's Place's main mission of preparing adult students for employment in a variety of food industry settings, including commercial and institutional kitchens, restaurants, cafes, and cafeterias. If you're looking to learn how to make your new favorite morning lattes like these, follow the link below and enroll in the next class cycle. Reporting for BronxNet, Brittany, Skyler, Aubain.